Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cook chicken pepper soup. Yeah, based on the weather, we all know we need something like this. So if you want to know how I was able to put them together, please keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe. So let's go into the kitchen and let me show you guys how the little ingredients I used to put them together. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider in subscribing to support what I'm doing here. So here is my chicken. This is soft chicken. I have already washed it. Okay guys, those are the ingredients I use in cooking this pepper soup. So after putting the ingredients, stir it together to mix well. Some salt to taste and 3-star Maggi. Stir together and cover your pot. Oh guys, I steam it about 8 minutes to bring out its water before I put in another water. Okay guys, here I put in some water, 3 cups of water to cook. So here I put in onions and pepper soup spices. I did not know that my phone was not recording when I put the onions. So I already put in onions, pepper soup spices together. Okay guys, here is utazi leaf. Yeah. And some pepper. Those are 3 different types of pepper I have. Okay guys, I cover my pot and leave it to boil for some minutes. I will come back to check on it. About 10 to 15 minutes, I check the pepper soup is already done. So you can serve this with anything of your choice, rice, yam, everything, anything you want. But I serve mine with rice. Yeah guys, that is it for this recipe, and if you like it, please give me thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me here. Thank you for watching. Ciao.